So this is a Genie Professional Series model 2028. It has a Liftmaster release but a Genie rail. So I'll go ahead and close it for y'all, and it's pre-wired house. So yeah, it's not that loud. It's mainly the door that makes the noise. And then there's no light bulb in it. And I have 2 transmitters here. They have a total of 3. So I'll go ahead and run it up again. And I'll go ahead and disengage it here. And y'all can hear it without the door. So just pull down on the handle. And then I'll go ahead and open it without the door. So yeah, it's really quiet without the door. I think the main thing that we hear is the door making the noise, and you hear a bit of chain rattling. But it's a DC motor, I can tell. So I'll go ahead and flip this back up. And then and then once you run the door, it'll click in. It just clicked in there. And I'll show you all the wall button real quick. The wall button is just a standard one by Genie. And you have your lock, you have your light button, and then I'll go ahead and run it up using this. So yeah, it's not that slow at all, it's really quick. So I'll go ahead and do a safety beam test. It does work. So then I'll do a force test using my shoulder. That doesn't quite work, but that's just because it's electric set. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my next one.